All right, folks, we got a 2011 Suzuki King Quad. It's got 420 some hours on it with 2,200 miles. It's a 750 XTI or ATXI. Oh, geez Louise. AXI, 750 AXI, 4x4. It's got a winch on it. Winch works. All right, let's jump on it. It has power steering as well. This thing is really, really smooth. All right, this. Sorry about that. Winch here. That works. All right, let's go ahead and test the reverse. That works. Test low. Test high. Oh yeah, that's fun. All right, let's try in a four-wheel here. Is this gonna come on? Oh yeah, it says it does. Seems to work. All right, so you can check this out online. I guess I didn't do an intro or nothing. So we're Trice Auctions, located at 701 Lincoln Street, Denton, Maryland, 21629. You can find us online at triceauctions.com or bidtrice.com. You can see this four-wheeler from Sunday 1 to 3 or Monday 11 to 2. Hey, and if we're here, stop by, take a peek at it. Floor's in great shape. Suzuki King Quad, 750 AXI, 4x4, 400 some hours on it, 2,200 miles. Till next time, folks, check us out online, bidtrice.com.